Hi, this is Jessica Fox, and I have been in this business for over 20 years. One of the biggest challenges anyone has is getting enough business or getting enough leads. I'd love to share with you how I can show you how to get leads, real estate leads that are really, really great for under $2 a lead. Now, when I say real estate lead, I'm talking about a person that has expressed interest in real estate by being on a website like Zillow or realtor.com or being on Google and searching keywords that identify them as either a buyer, seller, or investor in the last 24 hours. So, what's the value of a lead like that to you? Would you spend $5 on a lead like that? Well, let me show you. Here's some proof and what you can expect. So, I was having some fun and I was picking on a couple different markets that have been getting an unfair share of snow recently. This weekend, I was able to get 11 leads for 91 cents a lead, 51 website clicks, and 436 impressions by spending $9.99. What's cool about these leads are these are real people, first name, last name, email, cell phone. And they've either been on Zillow, realtor.com, or have searched keywords in real estate like finding a home in Florida in the last 24 hours. That's gold. And we have a conversion plan to make those have the greatest return on investment that you can currently buy in real estate. So I'd love to show more because there's so much to be had. The neat thing is you can scale it to whatever level you want. So if you have someone helping you with your marketing expense, you can partner up and for about $1 a lead, maybe $1.50, less than $2 for sure, you can get as many leads as you can handle. Now, for us, we believe in this so much that we were investing in our agents and giving them money to spend even to show how many leads they can capture because we know that's the difference is providing you more opportunity. So let me ask you this. In the last 12 months, how many at-bats has your broker been able to give you? Well, I can give you as many as you can handle. Love to share with you more.